Hey guys, hope you're doing well today. So in this video we're going to continue with the Gantry Walkway build. So we're getting some of the parts galvanized and delivered to the job site, and we'll start getting this thing put together. So follow along and we'll get this thing done. So we got everything loaded for the first round, getting ready to head to galvanizing.
Oh yeah, it's coffee time. Can you smell it?
Hey guys, we're here at 7-Eleven on the north side of Las Vegas. Got a guest coffee taster with me. This is my little brother, Mike.
How you doing?
So I got the Punk Bunny medium roast, black with no sugar. So I'm gonna give this a go. That's true gas station coffee. I'll give that a 6.7 out of 10.
I got the blueberry crisp mild roast. Good taste. I'll do a 6.9.
Back to the video.
Alright guys, we're all loaded. So here's a tip. These long straps, they're like 27 feet long. And you always have way too much left over. They're cheap. Do yourself a favor, cut them off. These almost always work out. I do have a couple full length ones in the truck, but it makes it so much easier to have some shorter straps. You can thank me later for that. So we're all loaded. We got about 9 feet overhang. Let's head down the road. Guys, I appreciate you watching. It's unfortunate about the lost footage, but you'll get that on these big jobs. Anyway, like and subscribe. As you can see, I got the spider crane loaded up with the man basket on it. So keep your eye out for the video with that. See what that's all about. And we'll catch you on the next one.